Hello my dear students, as we are doing the class continuously from last 2 days, today something different we will learn. At first you see, this is your literature book class 4, English literature book class 4. It is changed. Last session it was a different book and now this session this is the new book. It's named Daffodils. I hope after the lockdown situation you will get this book. Now I am starting this literature portion from this book. Our first chapter in this book or in our syllabus, it is one poem. You can see in the book also, this is Rain in Summer. Rain in Summer. You can see here the poem, total poem is there and the picture. So you can easily understand the theme of the poem. Now I will read out one time and I will show you also something as I have done in my page. Here in the poem, at first you just listen the poem and you can see the page also. After that, stepwise we will go through. Rain in Summer. You see here I have tried to draw one picture. One boy in his small house trying to take out his hands and trying to touch the raindrops. Now listen the poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. So if I read the total poem, maybe you cannot follow the words. Just to see one time, try to see. Here it is written, how beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. You can see here in the picture also, there is a cloudy weather and the lightning and thunder rolls and the raindrops and other. So it rains just like cats and dogs. In this heavy rainfall, all the flowers and the garden and the soil are just getting muddy. And you see the boy is opening the window and he looks very happy also. After a long scorching heat of summer, the rain comes. Now you look at the second stanza. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoops. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. I know here many words are very new, which is quite new to you. You don't know the meaning of that words. I will give you in detail of the meaning of that words. Before that, you should read the poem and try to understand. Here, the raindrop clatters means a clattering sound or loud disturbance or loud sound on the roof, which is just like tramp of hoops. Hoops, you know, the tip of the toe of some animals like horses, ox, deer. Their hoops means their toe is the tip of the toe is very solid. It is just like rock. It is full of keratin. It is for the walking purpose or it is a special type of foot. Now you see how it gushes and struggles out, means flowing out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Spout, you know, spout is a particular thing. Spout, it is just like a tube or lip through which any liquid just passes out or moving out. Now you see the last stanza. Across the window pane, it pours and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars the rain The Welcome Rain by H.W. Longfellow. This is the poet's name. Now you listen. In this way, you cannot just write the poem also. If you wish, you can see the poem through Google, through internet connection. You can write the poem, but that's 3 stanza. Here it is in your syllabus, only the 3 stanza. The poem is little bit bigger, but here it is in a short form. Now, at first, I will tell you some new words meaning. Now you see here, gushes. What does it mean? A sudden rapid outflow. Struggles out. To strive, to labor in a difficulty or in a difficult situation. Now spout, a tube or leaf through which liquid or steam is poured or discharged. Gutter, a ditch along the side of a road, mainly for the drainage purpose, drainage system. Window pane. You have seen in the last stanza word window pane. Window pane is nothing, a piece of glass filling a window or a section of a window. That is called the window pane, which is totally watered through a long time rain. Fiery. Fiery means what? Fiery means the burning or the hot or inflamed or glowing. Now clatters. It's a raining, it's a rattling noise, sorry, here it's a rattling noise or a loud disturbance. Now hoops, I told you it is the tip or the toe of some animals like ox, deer, horse. Here you can see I have written the meaning. What I have said, no need to repeat, you can see it clearly. So it is a keratin covering. That means a solid rock-like structure. It is called the hoop. Okay. Now, as you have seen the new words meaning also, but before going to detail of the poem, I think we should know about the poet also. The poet H.W. Longfellow, I can show you the picture. Here you can see the poet's picture. I can show you from my mobile also. This is H.W. Longfellow, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He was an American poet and educator. He was born on 27th February. You can see, when you will get the book, easily you can see all these things. Here a short note about the poet is also given here. You can see the poet's picture also. He was an American poet and educator. He was born on 27 February 1807. He was born in Portland, Maine, United States. Some of his famous poems, The Song of Hiawatha, A Psalm of Life, Paul Revere's Ride, and Evangeline. These terms are very hard, I know. By watching all the things, you can learn very effectively. You can read here also. Some lines are written about the poet. He wrote many lyric poems known for their musical and musicality and presenting stories of mythology and legend. Now this much about the poet only. He is a very famous poet. You have understood, I think, an American poet, writing style and other things are also quite different. Now, let us come to the summary. You can see again the poem, because this is a new poem, you don't know. Just to see in the first stanza, how beautiful is the rain. It tells us about how the rain quenches the thirst of a street, of a dry street. You can see here broad and fiery street. Fiery means also the glowing or blowing, means it is very hot and dry. It satisfies the thirst or the need of the water by raining. Now the rain bounces on the roofs. You can see roofs is written here. Roof means the top side of the outer cover at the top of the house. So how it clatters means making sound. When the rain starts, we get a typical sound that is called the clatter, and when it rain heavily, then we get the loud noise also, like the tramp of hooves, as if many horses or many deers are running together. Okay, so this rain bounces, that is why this called bounces on the roofs and spilling out the gutter, means the uh, way out. The struggles, it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. I told you spout meaning, you can remember. Next, it floods the windows and the gutter. You know, window pane. Here you can see the window. The boy is standing here and it just wipe out the window panes also. And basically this rain has a calming effect. CALMING, calming effect. That is calm and cool effect. It satisfies all of our dreams also. It gives a new promise and new thinking. It brings a replenishment to the earth. It cools, it rehydrates, it eases and brings new promise. When you will go through this poem, you can easily understand this feeling is quite common to all of us. After a scorching heat of summer season, when we are experiencing rain, then we are just feeling all these things in our mind also. What a boy is feeling here, we are also same as this boy. So this is the summary of the poem. Some chapters are also here. Some easy exercise is there for you. But today we will not go to the exercise. Just you remember the poem. If possible, through Google, you can download this poem. You can see the poem, what is written there. Just the name you remember, Rain in Summer by H.W. Longfellow. Again you write see the name of the poem, Rain in Summer. It is Rain in Summer by H.W. Longfellow, Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. You will just type in the Google, Rain in Summer by H.W. Longfellow, and then you can see the poem and you can learn the poem. This is the way only we can teach you as much as possible. This is the literature portion. Next day when I will meet with you, again we will discuss about some exercises. Okay, thank you.